Look at him swimming, y'all.
You look like a bump. You look like a bump.
He look like a what?
A bump.
He
like
got his body up under there right now.
He look like a rock. This floating.
Yeah.
A big old fat rock.
Because there's a lot of turtles in there. So he eat the turtles, the frogs.
He eat snapping turtles?
Yep.
What if they snap him up?
His teeth, his tail, he could hit you with that. He could crack the turtle shell with just his tail. Yeah. You ain't know that. Look at him, Kyle. He going.
It look like he's putting his fingers up and then he's doing his
Yeah, that's what he doing. He pushing the food to his mouth. Look, he about to get out. Because that's his spot that he go back there and he get out. Yep, back there.
He be diving off the side.
Yep. He'll eat a little bit of grass. Look, he eating right now.
He eat grass?
Yeah, he be eating.
Ew. I wonder how grass tastes.
See? You see him pushing the stuff in his mouth. I wish I could get closer.
I wish I could do that if I was Beaver. Eat yummy frog.